In this video, we're going to show you how to draw a door in AutoCAD. So I've opened up an AutoCAD view here. I'm just going to check my units. I'm just going to type in UN and make sure these units are set to architectural and 1/32, and we're going to use insertion as inches. And let's start by drawing a little bit of a wall here. So I'm going to draw a 1 foot line, and then I'm going to draw a 5.5 inch stud, and then we're going to draw another 1 foot line. And this part doesn't really matter a whole lot, but and then we want to have some sort of opening size, and so I'm going to draw over here, and we're going to make this 32 inches, which is a pretty standard door size, and we're going to go down our 5.5 inches, and we're going to go this way 1 foot. So we basically have a 1 foot opening here, and I can delete this line now. And right here, let's just close our other area 1 foot. And so this is essentially our door opening. And so with our door opening, we want to draw a box. And so there's actually a couple ways of doing this. The first is by a line. And so we're just going to draw a line. We're going to go over 1.5 inches. You can also do 2 inches, whatever your door thickness is. And then we're going to go up here, and we're going to go up the same width as our door. So this is our 32 inches. And we're going to go over 32 inches. And sorry, that's wrong. We're going to go over 2 inches. And then we're going to come back down and close. And so that's essentially how we draw a door. But there's actually an easier way of doing this. And so that was pretty quick. But you can notice here that we actually have 4 lines, and I have to go through and actually select that. And so the next way we can draw a door is with the polyline tool. And so we can go over 2, enter, up, 32, enter, over 2, enter, and down 32, enter. And so with the polyline, this is actually one loop. And so that's certainly one faster way of drawing it. And there's actually even a faster way we have up here called the rectangular tool. And so here we can type in our first dimension is our width, because you can see it at the top there. So we're going to type in 2, and then we're going to hit the tab button, and we're going to type in 32 and hit enter. And you can see all 4 lines are drawn instantly, and they actually are already set up as a polyline. So that makes our lives a lot easier when drawing this. And so now that we have our door here, we want to do our door swing. And so our door swing is done from this arc tool, and instead of just clicking this button, we're actually going to click the arrow, and we want to go here and find what makes the most sense for us. And so I think we want to do start, center, end, and you'll have to try this. You might have to do this more than once, but let's just see here, and it looks like this is going to want to go counterclockwise or clockwise. So we'll do start as there, our center is there, and our end is there. And so if you ended up doing that backwards, let's do it again. Start, center, end. Start, center, end. And that's the backwards way. And what we can do just to fix that without redrawing it, I'm just going to delete this line here. Without redrawing it, what we can do is click extend and just click this button once, and we can then do trim, and we can click the other button once. So that's how we can get a door. And so now that we've drawn this door, I don't have any layers in here, but you want to get this set up in layers, and this technique works for all different types of doors and different sizes of doors, and that's how you kind of create the box and the arc part separately.